Ready? You see that bone? The kids won't eat it. They think it's not cooked, but it is cooked. So I don't want to spend at the grocery stores. I want to spend locally. Joey's Food Fight is here to infuse money into the local economies. And I've learned the most important thing that I can do here is be kind. No matter what, it gets so frustrating. And the Italian side of me wants to get angry because I can't get things solved. I can't communicate. I don't understand the comedy, the humor, the jokes, nothing. The only way to succeed when you travel abroad is to be kind, even in the face of dickery. I don't think they mean to be dicky. It's just frustrating. So, man, have I failed a few times, but it's been a beautiful experience. This is day 4 at the village of Pantao, Barangay Pantao, the city of Silay. Oh, the city of Libon and the province of Albay. The province of Albay. It's an amazing place. Just like Italy, I'm learning they have mafia. They call it private army. And the Filipino army, which is very limited, they don't have much of an army here. They couldn't defend themselves. They rely on alliances. But they're fighting off private armies where they'll come to your place and say, I protect you for money. Sound familiar? What they're really saying is, give me money or I'll kill you. That's called mafioso. So it's right here going on right now. There's elections and it's very heated. It's going to get more and more dangerous. I got to be out of here by the 6th or I will not be safe. Joey's fucking Food Fight.